Hello, dear students. Today we will talk about our chapter 5, that is Tallest Marvels. First of all, what is marvel? Marvel means which fills people with wonder. And tallest marvel means the buildings that make us wonder. First of all, why we make tall buildings? The advantages of tall buildings are they save space and accommodate more residents as compared to short buildings. Another advantage is the higher floor are relatively more airy and receive more sunlight. Taller buildings are a better option for the ideas of green buildings since they are more lit and airy and provide more surface area to install solar panels. Tall buildings are much more economical as buying a small land and constructing a tall building is more affordable than purchasing a widespread land. Nowadays, multi-storied buildings have become essential and inevitable in urban cities. Inevitable means अनिवार्य, बहुत ही ज़रूरी. Building with more than 5 stories are called multi-storied building, and mostly tall buildings in cities have 5 to 12 stories. However, in metro cities like Kolkata, Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai, Hyderabad, 30 to 45 story structures have been started developing. The construction of tall buildings require highly skilled engineers and architects to design the building, thus increasing the total cost. Now, let's see some tall buildings in India. Palace Royal, it is the highest building in India and its height is 320 meter. The 42 in Kolkata is 260 meter in height. This building is Imperial Tower. It is in Mumbai and height of this building is 256 meters. Now talking about world's tallest building. First one is Shanghai Tower, that is 632 meter high and it is located in Shanghai. Look at this building. Name of this building is Abrat Al Bayt. The height of this building is 601 meter. It is located in Mecca. Now let's talk about the buildings given in our chapter. First one is Petronas Twin Towers. It is located in Kuala Lumpur. These world famous twin towers are the tallest twin buildings in the world. They are 451.9 meter in height and have the deepest foundation. Foundation is the lowest load bearing part of the building and this building has deepest foundation. The world's highest two-storied sky bridge connects the two towers of the 41st and 42nd floors. Look at this building. Do you know this building? Yes, it is Burj Khalifa located in Dubai. This 828 meter high skyscraper is the tallest building ever built. This structure also sets a world record with the maximum number of floors. It has 163 habited floors, 46 maintenance levels and 2 parking levels in the basement. The triple-lobed footprints of the building has been designed to look like a desert flower called Hymenocallis. Hymenocallis is a flower. Next one is Willis Tower. It was earlier called Sears Tower. It is located in Chicago. Willis Tower is 442 meter high. It is one of the tallest building in USA. The observation deck of this building is on the 103rd floor, and from this point Chicago looks really great. The Willis Tower observation deck, called Sky Deck, is the highest observation deck in Chicago in United States. Its visibility is approximately 65 to 80 kilometers. Means we can see 65 to 80 kilometers around this building from 103rd floor, that is the highest observation deck in Chicago. Look at this building. The name of this building is Taipei 101. It is located in Taiwan. It is one of the world's tallest structure. Its height is 508 meters. It is named as one of the 7 wonders of engineering. Now let's have a quiz. First one is Shanghai World Financial Center looks like a giant. Is it screwdriver, bottle opener, nail or book? The correct answer is bottle opener. Second one is One World Trade Center is the tallest building of, is it India, China, USA or UK? The correct answer is USA. Third one is which of the following buildings has the world's largest clock face? Is it Taipei 101, Burj Al Bait, Petronas Twin Towers or Burj Khalifa? The correct answer is Burj Al Bait. Now students, you have to find tallest building in our city Morbi. Now let's start our chapter 6, that is related to general awareness. The name of this chapter is Logos. We can find everywhere around us logos of different companies. The full form of logo stands for Language of Graphics Oriented. The term logo is a symbol which is used to recognize a public identification of brand or company. A logo is a combination of text and visual imagery that serves as 2 purposes. It tells people the name of the company and it creates a visual symbol that represents your business. Some logos have powerful symbolic association connected to people's memory. You study in Nalanda Vidyalaya. The logo of Nalanda Vidyalaya is here. Now let's see some famous logos. Look at this logo. This is the logo of Adidas. Here is a logo that is of Audi car. This logo is of Amazon. Which is this logo? This is of Mercedes. Here is a logo of Apple. Many of you are using the mobile phone of the same. This is the logo of famous car BMW. This is the logo of, you all know, McDonald's. This is the logo of Target. This is the logo of, Twitter. Here is the logo of Starbucks, and this one is of Tata. Here are some logos. You have to find brand name or company name of the same. You also have to make a logo of any company or brand related to your business. Now coming to textbook, first one logo is given here. Ideas are represented by light bulbs placed on tanks. This is the logo of think tank. In this logo, we can see that it is tongue-like structure. So, tasting the nature with tongue like leaf and be vegetarian. Can you guess which is this logo? It is of EcoTaste. Next one logo you can see here, a clock. The hands of clock make an aeroplane. This is the logo of Airtime. Here in this logo you can see a dog. The dog's ears are leaves. The company promotes eco-friendly natural clothing for dogs. They tells us to avoid synthetic machine-made clothing. This is the logo of EcoPup. Here in this logo you can see a mobile phones. The city skyline doubles as the row of cell phones increases. This is the logo of Metro Mobile. Here is a logo. In this logo you can see all the 4 seasons are made in one logo. This is showing that they have the products for every seasons. So this is the logo of seasons. Have you heard about one of the famous brand of cakes and ice creams? It is Baskin Robbins. Baskin Robbins has 31 flavors of ice cream. Look at this logo. In this logo you can see 31 and B and R in it. Now let's have a quiz time. Here one logo is given. Is this logo of Mr. Koch, Mr. Furniture, Furniture Mart or Indoor Solutions? This is the logo of Mr. Koch. Second one logo is given here. Is it a logo of Designer Homes, Home Solutions, Home Decor or Design Tent? This is the logo of Design Tent. You can see in this logo the picture of tent also. Design a logo for any of your belongings, that is shoes, bag, etc., and explain why you have used the logo and what it means. Thank you.